Dun 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 dun. It's me. Hello and welcome to our new tutorial series where I'm going to show you how to 3D model and throw that 3D model onto real life footage in Blender. So let's go ahead and get that started. Alright, so here's Blender, here's your viewport. Let's go ahead and grab these two objects with right click and press X to delete. You can follow along down here with my keys. If I don't say something, just look down here and it should show you what I'm hitting to do what I'm doing. So let's go ahead, scale this box up a bit, just because I want a larger torso for my dude. Press tab to go into edit mode, then hit this face select, and let's go ahead and press E to extrude these top faces up a bit. I'm going to extrude a bit here, press S to scale, then I'm going to make a quick neck, make a quick base for his head, and booyah, we've got his basic body done. Now I'm going to grab these two faces and actually subdivide those twice. I'm going to grab these middle four faces, press E to extrude. That's a little long. E and E. Make sure to make a separate set of faces right here in the middle. These vertices right here will actually act like a joint, so it'll be like his elbow. So, oh, I didn't subdivide there. Now be careful with extruding. Every time you press E, it creates a new set of vertices. So if you press E and you don't move your plane somewhere, just Control Z out and do it again. That way you don't create too many. Alright, so there's his arms. Let's do his legs. Subdivide this 4 times. I'm going to go ahead and grab these 4 here. You can actually grab both of these faces here on his legs. That way you get equal legs. So there's his knees and there's his feet. Alright, so there we go. We have created this 3D model in under 2 minutes. And follow along and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Woo.